Assalamu alaikum little kids, this is your maths lecture and today we are going to learn concept of subtraction. Subtraction means finding difference between the numbers, that is taking one numbers from other. Subtraction is denoted by sign minus. Let's see a few examples. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have total 6 carrots. In this, the bunny takes 4 of the carrots. So we put it as minus 4. Now let's see how the subtraction works. And what is the remaining balance? We are subtracting 4 from the 6 carrots. And the balance is 1, 2. So the remaining gives you 2 carrots. Let's see another example. So we have totally 10 balloons. So let us assume 6 of balloons are flew away. So we have subtracting 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the remaining is, how many balloons are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 balloons. So balance is 4. Let's see one more example. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 bananas. Let us assume this monkey takes 3 bananas. Okay. 1, 2, 3. The monkey takes 3 bananas. And we have remaining. How many bananas we have remaining? We have 1, 2. We have 2 bananas. The balance is 2. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching.